Good afternoon. It is September 29th, 2025, and this is the 17,000 tick chart. And I just wanted to note that we have one leg up, two legs up. This was starting on Friday, uh, or really starting Thursday. And so, maybe tomorrow we get a third leg up. Uh, we'll see. But I feel like this kind of is a good illustration of what's been happening the past few days. Here's what it looks like on the 2700 tick chart. Um, so we finished Friday in this trading range, and then yesterday into this morning we had this spike up. We went sideways and just kind of sold off from there. Let me draw this. You can see that trading range, and looks like we hit just about a measured move. So it's like a trending trading range day. We had this steep move up and then a downward move after that. Here's how it looks on the daily chart. Uh, a doji with a bull body. So we'll probably test the EMA again. Here's how it looks on the weekly chart so far. Same thing as the daily chart. And again, on the monthly chart, we're up near this level of resistance. So it wouldn't surprise me if we have, a correction back to the trend line. And, everyone's going to be saying that, we're in a stock market crash, but we're really just overbought. So anyway, let's take a look at this. These trending trading ranges days, you just have to treat them like a trading range. So, um, it's not really easy to, it's just not easy to trade these. Could you argue that the bias is up? I would say, excuse me, I would say so. And if you draw this ruler, what's it? I like the Fibonacci. So maybe you draw the Fibonacci from here, and we don't get a 50% correction. I thought this might be a 50% correction. Maybe if you start it here, it is. So, could you buy this big bull bar? I think you could make the argument for that. Um, I think it's reasonable to buy maybe here, maybe here. And again, I think it's very reasonable to buy with a limit order here. And it's reasonable to sell with a limit order up here. But there's no clear stop order entries, in my opinion, here. You see, we get this lower high and we break through support. And then we bounce here and kind of get a flat channel. A broad bear channel. So you get a second entry short right here. Maybe you consider a stop entry order there, but you're going for a small scalp there. And you get this clear bounce, 1, 2, 3. So I mean, I think there's reasons to want to go long here. Not saying I would do it, but you can see we found support on this trend line right here. You can see that reversal bar, but then it just sells off. Then you get this tight bull channel followed by a tight bear channel, and just a lot of flip-flopping here. And I drew this range, but you can see that really it looks more like this. But all this is just a measured move. So not really a whole lot to say. There's one last look at the daily chart. I'll be back tomorrow.